How to check the hub bolt quality? Let's walk through our verification process. 1. Thread goes and no-go gauge test. Screw in smoothly all the way without stuck. 2. Hardness. For grade 10.9 bolts, core hardness must be between 32 and 39 HRC. 3. Metallography. Uniform, defect-free grain structure. No cracks, no hidden flaws. 4. Salt spray test. Accelerated salt spray testing confirms excellent corrosion resistance. 5. Tension test. 12 to 7 MPa, exceeding the grade 10.9 standard. 5 tests passed. Every batch includes a complete lab report. Quality assured. Every bolt.